Zach, if I came and had dinner with you and Sophie or whatever, it would be so easy for me to be like, here are the things in their relationship that I think would bring them closer together. Or here's how I think you would get better along with your friends or whatever.
Yes.
It's so much easier from an outsider perspective.
Here's why Sophie hates Zach.
Exactly. Yeah. And I kind of had the same concept as like, it'd be really interesting to get like a panel of people who have no intrinsic motivation to just be like, if I just, you handed me the keys to your channel tomorrow.
Yeah.
Here's what I'd do. I think
a lot of people try and sell that as like a service. Like there's like YouTube coaches and stuff like that. But
then you have to take it all with a grain of salt, right?
I know, right? Yeah.
Because it could be the same thing of like, hypothetically, all my thumbnails are black and white and they perform so well. And I'm like, dude, Zach, you gotta make your thumbnails black and white. And you're like, no. Right? Like,
or you try it and it doesn't work because it's a different channel and a different audience.
Right.
Well, yeah. I think that's, again, like I think I've said this before on the show, but like, at a certain point now, like for me, making a thumbnail is an exercise in branding. I'm not trying to create necessarily the best thumbnail. Well, I am, but I'm trying to create something that's recognizably me.
Oh, that's Zach's video.
You would instantly see, okay, that's Zach Build's video. Versus, if I deviate from that style too much, there's probably going to be a penalty for it, even if it's objectively a better thumbnail.
Because people don't recognize you.
Because people don't, yeah.
Can't change your Halloween costume. Got to go in the same thing every year.
Yeah, like I've never seen you do a video or a thumbnail where you're standing in the a corner and you're holding out a console that's completely finished.
Yes, yeah.
Like I'd be like, is this somebody making a video about Zach making videos? I think that's a concept I had never really thought about until you had said that. It's like, interesting.
And when I was doing I was testing all the thumbnails for my latest video, I had all these like, these concepts that I was like trying to like test out, and in the end, it just came down to it was hard. In big bold text, so like, I tried like 8 different iterations with like different words on the screen. They're like, some of them were like the title then played into the thumbnail, and it was like, in the end, just the like tried and true. It was hard, and then like holding the speakers in my hand.
Have you ever tried the title? It was hard.
No.
Could be the one.
Maybe.